Hello, doctor.
Hello there, little one. Who's calling me today?
It's me, Johnny. My grandpa, not well.
Oh no, what's wrong with Grandpa?
He snores so loud, like a tractor. Vroom, vroom.
That sounds funny.
Not funny. I can't sleep at night.
Oh, poor little Johnny. Don't worry, I'll give Grandpa some medicine.
And give me earplugs too.
Deal. Medicine for Grandpa. Earplugs for my brave patient.
Yay! Thank you, doctor. Now I can sleep in peace.
Sweet dreams, little one.
Good night, doctor.